Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to star a dashboard in Grafana. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into Grafana, come to the left hand panel, click on dashboards, and then just open up the dashboard that you want to go ahead and star. So let's say I want to star this one right here. So you click on it, and then you'll see this icon right here to mark it as a favorite, okay? So as soon as you mark it, there you go, the dashboard has been starred and this one will be highlighted in orange. Now, if you come here on the left-hand panel and you click on starred, you should be able to see this dashboard right here. Just make sure the starred check mark is actually toggled on, okay? And you'll see all your starred dashboards, and there you go. That is how to star a dashboard in Grafana.